Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cocktail bar drawing with white charcoal on black art paper. After sketching on black art paper with normal graphite pencil, I gave color with white charcoal pencil. Don't miss the full video at all. The full video is given on my channel. I am using black charcoal pencil for detailing. Then I am using paper stone to blend the charcoal pencil marks. Thanks for watching, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.